Hi friends! I came to read you another book today, and this book is one of my very favorites. It's called Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, and he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-patter, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, "Too damp, too dank, too dark." So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coal pip-pop, and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. The mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare. "Long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scutters by, sniffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy 'em up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the door. Then a wren and a raven flutter through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter and they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through his party in his very own lair. Hare strokes the fire and Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear "Achoo!" He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and snarls and he roars and he rumbles. He jumps and he stomps and he growls and he grumbles. "You snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I have whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We could pop more corn. We could brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, and he spins tall tales through the long blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. I hope you guys like this book, and I hope you're doing well. We miss you.